We go now to a heart-wrenching story with an elderly in Bay Road in Little London, Westmoreland. Over a month after Hurricane Melissa, the 57-year-old has been struggling with homelessness and food security. Romardo Lyons has his story.
57-year-old Rodney saw our news team and told us we needed to see his home, or what's left of it. He rode his bicycle for 15 minutes. We followed. He pedaled optimistically, looking behind him, giving directions. The sun began disappearing, but the reality was still stark. His front gate leads to nothing. This is what's left of his home in Bay Road in Little London, Westmoreland. The only thing remaining, mosquitoes that made sitting still quite the challenge.
We need back the house and my clothes. Clothes, mattress wet up. Me wet up, so me have to just burn it over there. So. But it's not no use.
And this is what it's like every night with the mosquitoes. Talk to me about the mosquitoes.
The mosquitoes get bad at night. See, me can't, sometimes me can't bear shake of them. Yeah.
The only thing he managed to save was himself.
Stove, me dresser, my bed, mash up. Yeah.
You lost everything?
Yeah. Me sheet, me lost them, everything. Clothes.
Mr. Rodney has nowhere to sleep. He took me to the spot where he finds solace at nights, a journey through rubble, avoiding nails on the ground and mosquitoes following behind him, an old structure on his neighbor's property, inside an old toilet and a bed bottom divorced of a mattress.
I have to sleep on the concrete. I'm a neighbor over there. So. See, I don't have no bed to sleep on.
And absolutely no food to eat.
I need some like cooked food. For me, right now, I look at tea meat for morning. And a crackers, bread and I eat. From 12 o'clock. And drinks. What?
You haven't gotten any care packages that were being distributed?
No, I'm not getting none.
He also said an Adventist church has consistently given him food items, but the only time he gets a hot meal is when his neighbor cooks.
He give me a good food and cook like rice and chicken and color and thing there. Yeah.
And you're happy when him share with you?
Yeah, man, my belly full.
So if he doesn't share with you, how you survive?
Me I know.
His mom has trouble hearing. She lives in a board structure beside him. It's barely standing, unsecured, and not much shelter from the mosquitoes either.
Me no have nothing enough if you look at my mother said me desperate.
In the days, he assists someone on a farm. That's how he's able to buy water and pay for his phone to be charged.
And give me a little change. Yeah, me can buy little things.
This interview was done at 6 p.m. The same man he assists gave him his most substantial meal that day, and that was at 2 p.m.
He buy me like some little bulla, round bulla, and put some like butter, peanut butter on it, and give me a water and give me a drinks.
As he stood looking where his house once stood, Mr. Rodney told me there are days where he feels like throwing in the towel.
He me stress out. But me age and me 50 years now, 60 odd, 67. I'm an old man now, man. Sometimes I feel just to give it up and I build nothing again. But I will not.
Another resident said they've gotten little to no help in the community, forcing them to relive the trauma daily.
They fix him house and so on, you know. You give him something, some value to make him can have a good house, just like myself. When the breeze blowing, I saw they think them I go. Just a roll and a gal and fly gone. So we have to run when the breeze kinda slow down a little. We take time and pinch up my head and run go with my daughter to go get shelter. So I so me get the little shelter.
The community is about 10 minutes from the Little London police station. Anyone who wants to assist can ask for Mr. Rodney in the vicinity. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.